Good morning to one and all. I, Dr. Dheeraj Oval, as a HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my SYBCom participants for the advertising online lecture. Today, we are going to see the first module under the advertising syllabus for semester 3, Introduction to Advertising. The second module we have under the syllabus for semester 3, Ad Agency. The third module we have Economic and Social Aspect of Advertising. And the last module, the fourth one, is a brand building and special purpose of advertising. Today we are going to see about the first module, Introduction to Advertising, and we are going to see about the what do you mean by the advertising, what are the characteristics of the advertising. Today we are going to see that one. Let us go for the next. This is your question paper format. This is your old format, that is called as a offline format, but due to the pandemic lockdown situation, now we have the online paper format. Now let us go for the first question. What do you mean by the advertising? What is the exactly definition of advertising and the features of the advertising? Now we are going to see one by one here. Now look at the here. The word advertising comes from the Latin word advertere, which means to turn the mind towards. The primary goal of advertising is to attract the attention of audience and induce them to purchase advertising product and service. The word advertising has been taken from the Latin word advertere. The meaning is that to turn the minds towards, you have to attract the attention of the customer towards the advertising. And even also the primary goal is to attract the attention, and even also induce them. We have to force them, we have to convince the customer, we have to convince the audience to purchase advertisement product and service. Now let us go for the definition. There are so many definition available in the textbook and references book, but we have selected one of the definition, American Marketing Association. The reason behind that, the definition itself is having the four features. Now look at the here, I have highlighted the here in a yellow. Now look at the here, any paid form, non-personal presentation, promotion of idea, goods and services by an identified sponsor. With the help of the definition, we can complete the four features. Paid form, we are going to show our advertisement on television. We have to pay money to the television channel. If tomorrow I want to publish my advertisement in the Times of India, I have to pay the charges to the Times of India. If I want to stick a poster, banner, in the whatever the type of the advertisement I want to go for that, I have to pay the amount. Then we can say advertising means paid form. We have to pay paid form. Non-personal presentation, it is not a personal thing. Whatever the people sit in front of the television and whatever the advertisement is going on, the all those adverts, they are going to see the that advertisement. That is indicate advertisement is not applicable personal individual level, it's applicable to mass audience. Even also, if tomorrow, if we have a blood donation campaign in college, we are going to put a poster in front of the gate. Those who are the senior college, junior college, pharmacy college, even all those society people, security watchmen, etc., they are going to see our advertisement. Then we can say advertisement is a non-personal presentation. Now look at the here third one, promotion of idea, goods and services. Advertisement, we are not only do the product advertisement, but we have to do the some service advertisement, even also some of the ideas also advertisement. The product advertisement, goods advertisement, the tangible things we can see, we can touch. Now we have seen the so many FMCG product, consumer durable product, your Lux soap, your milk, your Colgate, whatever the product we are going to purchase, that comes under the product advertisement or goods advertisement. Services advertising, then you know very well about that one, banking, telecommunication, insurance. These are the advertisement we have seen on the television, we have seen in the newspaper also, poster, banner, etc. Even also the last 1.5 years, we have witnessed with the pandemic and the lockdown situation, the COVID-19 awareness in everywhere. If you are making call to any person, before receiving the call, we have to listen the corona awareness haloton also, then blood donation, then polio awareness campaign. These are comes under the ideas. And the last one is that identified sponsor. With the help of the advertisement, we can easily identify who is the owner, who is the seller, who is the manufacturer of that product. If there is advertisement of Jio phone, the owner is the Reliance company. If there is an advertisement Amul milk, the owner is the Amul company. Then we can say with the help of the advertisement, we can easily identify the sponsor. Now we can go see the another features also. Now look at the here. The features, characteristics, nature, objective, essential, and the elements, these are the synonymous words of the features. In earlier, before the 2 years back, instead of direct asking the question, write the features of advertising, they can twist the question and they can ask in a such a way, write the essential of the advertisement, write the objective of the advertisement. So my dear students, please keep in mind features, characteristics, nature, objective, essential, and even elements. These are the synonymous words. These are having the equal meaning, that is the features. Now, as I mentioned, the definition is having the 4 features, and the remaining features we can use these abbreviation or acronyms, and we can remember that one. CAT, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we can go one by one. The 4 features which is having the definition. Now look at the here: paid form, non-personal presentation, idea, goods and services, identified sponsor. Then CAT, C for creativity, A for all pervasive, applicable to all. Advertising is applicable for business as well as the non-business organization. Even also, I would like to give the some of the example for that one. Even target market, we have to identify the target market. Art, science, and profession. Then build image, create awareness, diverse group, element of the marketing mix, and facilitate to the customer. Then we can say the definition is having the 4 features, and with the help of the CAT A, B, C, D, E, F, we are going to complete the 13 features. Now we are going to see one by one the features. What is exactly that? Now look at the here paid form. As I mentioned, if I want to show my advertisement on television, I have to pay the money. If I want to put a poster, banner, etc., I have to pay the certain charges also. Even also, I have to take the permission from the BMC also. If I want to give the advertisement in the Times of India, I have to pay the charges. Then we can say advertisement, it's a paid form, and those who are the owner, those who are the seller, they have to pay the money. And you want also look at the here publicity is not a paid form. It is another different concept about the publicity. Advertising is a paid form, but publicity is not paid form. It's a free of cost. We can do the bad publicity as well as the good publicity. Now go for the second point. Now look at the here non-personal presentation. The word indicate that one non-personal presentation. Whatever the advertisement, whatever the commercial message I want to give the public, and they are going to see. It's not a personal. It's a non-personal presentation. Anyone can see, anyone can read, anyone can watch that advertisement. Then we can say it's a non-personal presentation. Now look at the last line. Salesmanship is a personal form. Salesmanship is a personal form. Those who are the sales executive, those who are the salesperson, he can take your permission. He can come your home or offices with your permission, and he is going to give the demo as an individual basis. Then we can say salesmanship is a personal form, but advertisement is a non-personal presentation. The best example, there is a one advertisement on television channel, and those who are the people in your family, your parents, your grandparents, your children, your sibling, they are going to watch the same advertisement. Then we can say it is not a personal form, it's a non-personal form applicable to all the people. Now we can go for the third features: idea, goods and services. As I mentioned, product advertisement, tangible things we can see, we can touch, we can use. Your mobile, car, soaps, whatever the products, FMCG or consumer durable we are going to purchase, that comes under the product advertisement. Services, intangible services, you know very well about that one: banking, telecommunication, insurance. These are the services we have seen the lot of the advertisement also. And recently I have mentioned everywhere we have seen the corona awareness, stay home, stay safe, pulse polio campaign, blood donation, save girl child. Then we can say we have to create awareness among the public. That comes under the ideas advertising. Now look at the here. Within the advertisement, we can easily identify who is the owner, seller, manufacturer, retailer, government organization, and hospital. Now look at the here. The first picture is a Geo phone. The owner is a Reliance company. The second picture is a Nano car. The owner is a Tata, and the third one is a Dantakranti toothpaste. The owner is a Patanjali. And even also corona vaccination, corona awareness, everywhere we have seen that type of advertisement. The owner is a government organization. Now we are going to see the creativity. Now there is a tough competition among the advertiser. Within the 5 minute commercial break, we have to see more than 10 or 20 advertisement. Therefore, every advertiser wants their customer, they wants their share of the customer. Therefore, how to attract the customer? There is a need for innovative and new concept. Then we can say creativity should be the part of the advertisement. And I have given the example Zuzu advertisement, the Mentos advertisement. Even also, I would like to quote it here the Zuzu advertisement, the Raji Roy, the Bangalore based company, David and Ogle, etc. He has the brainchild for the Zuzu advertisement. The special characteristics of the cartoon we have seen for the IPL match. eh, that is called the creativity. We have to attract the attention, as well as you have to put the innovative and creative thought to attract the attention of the audience. Therefore, we can say advertising, for the successful advertising, there is a need for the creativity. Now, all pervasive, it's a meaning for that universal application, applicable to all, whether you are having the business organization or non-business organization. Even also, I would like to give the one of the best example. Last 2 years, we have been seen everywhere the COVID situation. Then we have seen the lot of the one advertisement, COVID awareness advertisement, Corona vaccination advertisement. Who has done that advertisement? The government has done that advertisement. Even also you have taken the admission for the SY become this year, and in which format you have taken the admission online, you have to pay the money online, etc. How can you get the notice? How can you get the information through the admission form and notices? Then we can say even also we have delivered the lecture on the online platform, Zoom platform. Then we can say advertisement is not applicable only for Tata, Reliance, Birla, those who are the commercial business people, but this is applicable for the school, colleges, and government organization. That is a indicate for the all pervasive. Now look at the here. The next feature is that target market. One cannot sell everything to everyone. I would like to give you one of the best example. Now look at the first feature, laptop. If I want to say, yes, all my dear students, please, we are going to purchase a laptop. You can say, sir, we are the plain commerce students. Notebook is enough for the writing purpose. We don't want to purchase a laptop. But those who are the MBA students, those who are having the professional degree, they have to purchase a laptop. Then we can say the laptop is only for MBA and the professional degree students, and for those who are the commerce or undergraduate students, they can go for the notebook only. Now look at the here the three pictures of the car. The first one is a Tata Nano, the second one is a Tata Indica, and the third one is a Tata Safari. The common is here is the manufacturer is only one person, that is a Tata. Tata has manufactured the several cars. The reason behind that one, Tata Nano car, those who are the lower income group, they can prefer the Tata Nano car, 1 and 2 lakh rupees car. Then Tata Indica, 4 to 5 lakh rupees car. Those who are having the middle income, they can prefer Tata Indica. And those who are having the rich people, they can go for the Tata Safari. Then we can say we cannot sell everything to everyone. We have to identify the likes and dislikes of the people, what are the requirement, what are the basic needs, and what are their income level. Therefore, we have seen the lot of the advertisement. Even also those who are the manufacturer, they have to take care about such a type of the target market. And with the help of the market segmentation, geographical, demographical, sociographical, psychographical behavior, we can divide the larger market into the smaller parts and applicable to the product and service to each segment that comes under the target market. Now look at the here, the laptop is applicable for the MBA professional students, notebook is applicable for our college students. Now look at the Tata Nano, it's applicable for the lower income group. Tata Indica, which is applicable for your middle income group. Tata Safari, which is applicable for the upper income group. Now we are going to see art, science, and profession. Advertising is an art because it is a required skill and talent to prepare ad campaign. Those who are the visualizer, those who are the copywriter, those who are the preparing the advertising concept, the person is having the certain kind of the skill. They're having the certain kind of the innovative ideas in their mind. Therefore, we can say it is a required certain kind of the art and talent. Then science, advertising is a part of the social science because we are going to deal with the customer, we are going to deal with the human being, and human being consists of the society. I have to identify the needs and wants of the customer as per the requirement, as per the likes and dislikes of the customer, as per the income level of the customer, as per their daily buying habit. I have to analyze, I have to divide my the market. Therefore, I have to deal with the customer. Customers are the human being, human being consists of the society. Therefore, I have to study the social science. And we can say advertising is a part of the social science. And now it's a perfect competition. Everywhere we have seen the so many seller and so many buyers are there. Even also the holistic approach of the marketing, the customers are treated as the king of the market. Therefore nowadays we have to attract the attention, convince the customer. There is a need for your innovative and creative ad campaign. Therefore there is a need for the professional ad agency who is going to make your ad in such a creative manner, would attract the attention of the audience, and even also you can get your share of the customer. And you are not only surviving the market, but you can earn profit, progress, and prosper for the long time also. Now we can go for the next, build image, increase name and reputation of brand. We have seen those so many advertisement. There are so many personality using the advertisement. Basically we have seen the sports personality, the Bollywood actor and actress, actor or actresses exactly. They are going to build image of the company as well as the brand of the product. Now we have seen the one of the famous advertising campaign, Cadbury Dairy Milk, Papu Pass Ho Gaya. The brand ambassador is Amitabh Bachchan. Even also after successfully completed toilet film everywhere, the Akshay Kumar is one of the brand ambassador for the Harpic, the toilet cleaner. Then we can say, with associate with the famous personality, sports people, actor or actresses, then we can increase or build image of the our product as well as the company. Now look at the here, create awareness. Advertising is not only attract the attention, but also create awareness of the people. Even also on the packing of the product, we have seen whether it's a environmental friendly or not, how can you dispose or decompose your packing also. Even also we have seen the all ingredient, all content information, whether how can you use that one, how can you dispose that product. Then we can say, even also we have got the information about the price, features of the product. Even through the advertisement we have got the information, today is the last day, tomorrow is the last date, the offer will be end within the 15 days. And we can say it's a create awareness among the people. Now we can go for the next features, diverse group. For example, if I want to purchase Colgate, I can directly go to the retail shop, wholesaler shop. I can purchase that Colgate, but I have seen the advertisement on the television. Then we can say advertisement is applicable to various stakeholder. That is a called, that is a called as a wholesaler, retailer, supplier, then the final customer. Then always there is a try to convert audience into the prospect and prospect into customer. The advertisement is always focused to try to convert audience into prospect, and the prospect means in the future they are likely to become a customer. And those who are the prospect customer, those who are willingly to purchase the product, those who are ready to purchase product, in a final touch we are going to make them as a customer or product. Now look at the next point, element of the marketing mix. Advertising is a part of the promotion. Marketing mix means combination of four piece: product, price, place, promotion. Product, anything can be offered by the marketer. We are going to purchase to satisfy our needs. That is called as a product. Price means the exchange value of the product. The seller is ready to sell and buyers are ready to accept that one. The place, the channel of distribution, the moment has taken place from the production center to the consumption center. And the promotion, you have to attract the attention, you have to make awareness about the products are available in the market. Therefore we can say advertising is a part of the promotion. Now this is the one of the IMP, advertising is a part of the promotion. Now we are going to see the last features of the advertising, facilitated to the customer. Look at the here, I have given this certain example, you can understand very well about that one. If I have a huge budget more than 1 and 2 lakh, then I'm going to purchase the luxury mobile phone, the best mobile phone, the iPhone. I have got the information through the advertisement. If I am crazy about the selfie, if I want to click selfie, then I can go for the Oppo phone. What are the features of the iPhone and the Oppo phone? How can I get the information through the advertisement? Then we can say advertisement is help the people, tell the people about the price, features, and quality of the product. And even also with the help of the advertisement, the customer is in a position to take the right decision whether which product going to buy that. Even also I have given the example, if I have a low budget 1 and 2 lakh, then I'm going for the purchasing Tata Nano. If I am having 5 to 4 lakhs, then I'm thinking about the Tata Indica. If I having more than the 10 or 20 lakhs budget, then I'm thinking about the luxurious car, then SUV models, etc. These are the information we are getting from the advertising. Then we can say it's a facilitated to the customers also. Now look at the recap here, the features, characteristics, nature, objective, essential elements. These are the synonymous words of the advertising, and these are the acronyms: CAT, CAT, A, B, C, D, E, F, And even also we have selected the definition. American Marketing Association definition has having the 4 features. With the definition is having 4 features and CAT cat A B C D E F, we can easily complete it. The 13 features, characteristics, natures, objective, essential elements of the advertising. And last not the least, thank you all of you for your precious listening. Thanks a lot. If you're having any question, any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.